A big hello from the Lake City and the capital of Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Today we are here to check out the Millennium Group of Institutions, also known as MIT, located at the Nathubar Kheda Road near the Neelbagh Choraha in Bhopal. The Millennium Group of Institutions was established in the year 1999 and has 5 colleges under its umbrella. They are MIT, Millennium Institute of Technology, MITS, Millennium Institute of Technology and Sciences, MCP, Millennium College of Pharmacy, MCE, Millennium College of Education, MIT and MBA. The lush 25-acre MGI campus is located in a very peaceful and undisturbed environment fit for learning. The MGI campus is well connected with all parts of Bhopal through rail, road and air to other parts of India as well. So come, let's have a look at this amazing campus and see what it has in store for us.
The academic focus at MGI is to develop a complete student and a globally adaptable professional with social sensitivity.
We have got a state-of-art workshop which really gives opportunity to our engineers to practice in the workshop, develop test setups, machines and models.
A judicious mix of theory and practice comprises the teaching learning mechanism which meets the changing needs of the industry and the society as well.
Millennium College has helped me a lot in shaping up my career. Presently, I am running a Microsoft student partner community in college and organizing various technical workshops, seminars in this college as well as others. Recently, I have been placed via campus recruitment in a multinational company on the package of 15 lakh. And this college has also helped me on building up my own startup company.
From high-tech computer laboratory to language laboratory with latest software, and from a state-of-the-art library to furnished classrooms along with LCD projectors and Wi-Fi internet connectivity throughout the campus, MGI has everything that is a student's dream.
We have got smart classrooms for all the branches and in all the colleges where our faculty members, they teach to the students with the support of net and audiovisual facilities.
The saga to provide the best is a top priority at MGI, and hence great importance is given to research and development here. The practical aspect is taken care through tie-ups with various industries for greater learning prospects. In fact, Ford India has established a laboratory in the campus through which they train the students to be job ready. And it is for these reasons that Millennium Group of Institutes has been recognized for its exemplary teaching quality and facilities to its students.
We have been awarded as an captain of industry by the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh. Similarly, the Governor of Madhya Pradesh is also awarded as one of the leading institutions in technical education. हम बच्चों को न सिर्फ तकनीकी शिक्षा में उत्कृष्ट बनाते हैं बल्कि उन्हें एक बेहतरीन इंसान और बेहतरीन विश्व नागरिक बनाने के लिए भी प्रयासरत हैं। इसके लिए हमने यहाँ पर बहुत सारे लैंग्वेज स्किल्स और इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेजेस के प्रोग्राम्स भी हमारे यहाँ पे चलते हैं, जिसके द्वारा बच्चे न सिर्फ नेशनल लेवल पे बल्कि इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे विभिन्न प्रतियोगिताओं में पार्टिसिपेशन कर सकते हैं। बच्चों द्वारा भी बहुत सारे नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड जीते गए हैं। साथ ही हमारा प्रयास है कि भारत का नाम भी विश्व स्तर पर रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट में अग्रणी देशों में लिया जाए। इसके लिए हमने यहाँ पर रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए एक विश्व स्तरीय लेबोरेटरी स्थापित की है। मध्य प्रदेश काउंसिल ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी द्वारा हमें बहुत सहयोग प्राप्त दिया गया है। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के द्वारा भी हमें प्रोजेक्ट दिए गए हैं।
Making students employable and enabling them to shape their own careers, MGI focuses to make its students job ready from day one.
Our students have successfully been placed in multinational companies like TCS, IBM, Infosys, HCL, Genpact, Zensar, and many more. If we talk about the last 3 years, we have placed almost 2,500 students in more than 250 companies. Students here are not only trained and placed, but we want them to be entrepreneurs. We want them to not only be the job seekers, but we want them to be the job providers.
A perfect concoction of learning and fun, MGI is the perfect platform to explore your horizons and become a global citizen.